In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project intake form in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Smartsheet, you'll be able to follow along. By the end, you'll have a simple form that people can use to submit new project requests directly into your sheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on the home screen. Look toward the top or left side of the interface for the plus icon. This plus sign is what you'll use to create something new in Smartsheet. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you click the plus sign, Smartsheet will open a menu of different things you can create, like sheets, reports, dashboards, and more. From this list, find and select the option labeled Form. Choosing Form tells Smartsheet that you want to build a form that connects to a sheet, so that any information people submit will automatically appear as new rows. Once you click Form, Smartsheet will open the form builder. This is where you'll fill in the details and customize how your project intake form looks and behaves. Start by giving your form a clear title, such as Project Intake Form, or something that matches your internal process. A descriptive title helps your requesters immediately understand what the form is for. Next, review the fields that appear. These fields usually correspond to columns in your underlying sheet. For a project intake form, you might include things like project name, requester name, department, due date, project description, priority, and any other information you typically need before approving or starting a project. You can rename fields, reorder them, or remove ones you don't need by using the options on the side of the form builder. As you fill in the details, think about which questions should be required. For example, project name, requested completion date, and a brief description are often essential. Marking fields as required ensures that submissions are complete and reduces back and forth later. You can also add helper text or short instructions under each field to clarify what kind of information you're expecting. This is a great way to improve the quality of the requests you receive. When you're happy with the layout and details, save your changes. Smartsheet will generate a shareable link for your form, which you can send to your team or embed in internal sites. From now on, whenever someone fills out that form,